Darling, you send me, I know.
No one is you, that's your power. A lovely floral letter from the Daughter Earth. Say hello to beauty that is kind, conscious and uncompromising. So recently Daughter Earth launched their 3 products, Glow Dew, Spot Shot and Plump Up with Love by Daughter Earth. Well, for my skin, I have choose the Glow Dew, that is the vitamin C serum, which includes turmeric, ginseng, 20% vitamin C, hyaluronic acid and ferulic acid. I have been using this serum since 15 days now and I have seen a really good difference in my skin. This comes with a glass bottle and a pumper, which is really handy to use, and the consistency is not too runny and not too thick. You can see how smooth the texture is and it just melts down to your skin. Your skin absorbs it so well. After applying this serum, I have noticed that you'll start feeling a little bit patchy on your skin. So for that, I use a good moisturizer. So yeah, I do recommend to you guys. It actually works for your skin so well. You guys gonna love it. Now I'll show you how I use this vitamin serum on my face. Just take few drops. And it's done. It's 100% vegan, sustainable and clean skincare and make your skin flawlessly clean, lovable and sustainable. That's all with the Glow Dew. So that's it for today's video, guys. I'll see you in my next with more fun and more videos. Till then, toodles, bye.